In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Grab with GCash. Let's dive right in and get started on this convenient way to settle your Grab transactions. First, open the Grab app on your mobile device. Make sure you log into your account. This is crucial because being logged in allows the app to access your saved preferences and payment methods. Logging in also ensures you're recognized as a verified user, which is essential for smooth transactions. Once you're logged in, take a moment to choose the service you need. You can select from GrabCar, GrabFood, or GrabMart. These options cater to different needs, whether you're looking for a ride, some delicious food, or even groceries delivered to your doorstep. After making your selection, click on Add to Cart. This step is important because it adds your chosen service or items to your list, ready for checkout. Next, it's time to move on to the payment options. Head over to the payment options section and you'll see various ways to pay. Tap on Payment Method to continue. This is where you make a crucial choice about how you'd like to pay for your service. Selecting the right payment method ensures a hassle-free transaction. From the list of payment methods available, select GCash. If you haven't linked GCash to your Grab payment options yet, make sure you do so. Linking GCash is an important step because it enables the app to process your payment seamlessly. It saves time and effort in entering payment details every time you make a transaction. Now tap on GCash. You will be prompted to enter a code to confirm the linking of your GCash account. This step is a security measure, ensuring that only you can authorize the connection between your Grab and GCash accounts. Once the code is entered, your GCash account will be successfully linked. With that done, you're all set to proceed with your payment. Review the order details carefully. This step is crucial as it allows you to verify all the items or services you are about to purchase. Double-checking these details helps prevent any unwanted surprises later on. Make sure everything looks good and matches your expectations. Finally, you're ready to tap on Confirm or Pay. This final action will process your payment through GCash. You will see a confirmation appear on your screen reassuring you that the payment has been successful. It's a good reminder to keep an eye out for any notifications as they provide important updates on the status of your transaction. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to pay for your Grab services using GCash. By following these steps, you can enjoy a seamless and efficient payment process. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures that your transactions are secure and smooth. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, understanding how to navigate these digital payment services can greatly enhance your convenience and efficiency. Keep exploring and making the most of these technologies. Until next time, take care and happy grabbing.